Hi. I don't know if you remember me from my last video, but I'm Bubba, Matthew McConaughey's brother. Hey, that rhymes. What you may not know, other than my bitterness towards my brother Matthew, is that I'm also a die-hard Bruins fan. When I go way back to the 1970s and the big bad Bruins, Bobby Orr and Phil Esposito and later on Terry O'Reilly and Stan Jonathan, John Waynesink, and then later down to that, dude, with Cam Neely. Oh, I love Cam Neely. Oh boy, he could really fight, boy, and he could really hip check and body check and just do all sorts of checking and stuff that Milan Lucic can't do. But hey, I may not be driving a fancy Lincoln like my brother Matthew, but what I know and he don't know about hockey, boy, what he knows about hockey could fit in a thimble. What he knows in general could fit on a thimble, especially acting ability. Well, I digress. But anyway, my pal Luke is taking a break today, taking a breather, just kind of, relaxing and chilling out, just like my brother Matthew does, taking his shirt off and flexing and whatnot. And, I'm just not, wired that way like my brother Luke. I'm getting a little confused here. That identity crisis. I don't have my brother Matthew's physique or, for that matter, Luke's physique. But hey, dare to dream, right? But I think we're going to talk about today is hockey, because my brother don't know about hockey. So I'll talk about hockey, then I'll talk about Lincolns later after that if I have time, but maybe not. My prognosis on the Bruins, I think they had a tough first half of the season. A lot of injuries. You use the excuse of the crutch, but hey, it's a new year, and like Luke was saying, his status, boy, he really knows a lot about hockey. I can't keep up with him, but I totally agree with what he was saying. That they keep playing like they did against the Red Wings the other night. That maybe they can right this ship after all and get the season. Because the bottom line is, if they get it all together the final month, it's like Dazed and Confused, man. Those high school girls, they get a year older, but I remain. No, wait a minute. I get a year older. They remain the same. See, I get confused with that whole statement. But anyway, so the Bruins got to keep that ship going straight up, like a skyrocket, and don't be driving like a Lincoln, going forwards and backwards, because that's how they've been playing all season. Been going forward and backwards and backwards. Driving the Lincoln. Oh boy, I'm really getting confused. So anyway, hopefully the Bruins stay healthy and they play up their capabilities. Just go out there, like Luke was saying before, earn their paycheck, man. Earn their paycheck. I earn my paycheck every day, man, collecting cans of Shaska. 5-cent deposit, man. Shaska Cola, baby. That's where it's at. Drink a Shaska. Hey, enjoy your new year, man. Moving forward, backward, driving your Lincolns. Yeah. Okay, man. Time to go. Adios. Bye, Matt. If you're out there, Matthew, bye.